So we're on the delivery trail again. Today we're in a nice neighborhood, and I'm here to see this beautiful lady. Oh, she's in the Napoleon colors. You know the ice cream? Beautiful. Hi, how are you today?
Good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Glad I came?
Glad, very glad.
Very happy. Alright, even though the rain falling and stuff. You brought the Heidi?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, good stuff. Alright, so my guy's gonna handle it. So, wanna hand you a package.
Thank you.
Before I run off, I need to tell me all the nice things about us.
I love that you guys.
There.
I love that you guys provided updates. All the tracking. Customer service was great. I can call and ask absolutely any questions. So it's easy to call customer service, easy to find the number to call customer service. Just overall great experience.
You hear that? Overall great experience. What I want you to do for me though, this time around, see we have returned the referral cards. I want you to just put your mailbox number right here and just pass it on to a friend or family.
Okay, no problem.
Make them enjoy some of the benefits that you're enjoying.
I will.
And by the way, you're a platinum member?
I am.
You are? Oh, good stuff. So you're enjoying all the good things then.
I am.
All right. So we have more packages for you. So we're going to get all the packages. Are you enjoying the rain though?
It's good.
It's good? You like the rain?
Welcome rain. You know?
Welcome rain. You're
Calm
too
down
hot.
the heat. Yeah.
Yeah. The place is kind of hot away still. I know. I was almost dying. Come for the package. I was almost dying in the heat. But the rain, perfect timing. The flowers needed to.
True.
Flowers needed to. All right. So let me help you. I'll hold on to this one for you. No, not yet. It's gonna handle. Yes, it's gonna handle. So, what's the plan for the weekend? Other than sleep. Other than sleep. Yes, other than sleep. Don't tell me that's all you're gonna be doing all weekend.
Visit some family. That's about it.
That's about it. Alright, cool. Sleep make you acclimatize. You understand because of COVID. You understand the value of sleep, right?
Right.
Yeah. Not just you. We do too. But guess what? It's a pleasure serving you, and we're looking forward to seeing you over and over again.
I have some other stuff shipping. So.
There you go. We're looking forward to serving you. So there you have it, guys, on the delivery trail. She's a happy customer. We are happy to serve her. Rain or shine, it's raining. We love it. It's a nice, cool day. It's not like yesterday. On the delivery trail, have a good one.